Good morning, my dear students. Let us see lesson number 1 sets. In previous video, we have seen union of two sets. Now let us see one more example of union of two sets. Example, set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B is equal to 2, 3. See all the elements of set B, that is 2 and 3, are in set A. Now therefore we can say that B is subset of A. Now A union B. It means that we have to take all the elements from the set A and B, and common elements are written once. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 and 3 we can write once. Now here this is, we can show it by Venn diagram. So this is set A and this is set B. So elements of set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and elements of set B, that is 2 and 3, because B is the subset of A. Now let us see next point, number of elements in a set. So number of elements in a set, let A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Set B is equal to 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Now see 6, 12, both these elements are in set A. So B is a subset of, now here B is not a subset of A because all the elements of B is not in A. Now see elements in set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 elements are there in set A. Therefore number of elements in set A is equal to 5. We can say equation number 1. Now here let us see elements in set B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements are there in set B. Therefore n of B is equal to 6. We can say for this equation number 2. Now A union B. It means that we have to take all the elements and common elements we have to write once. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 6 and 12 are common. Now next 18, 24, 30 and 36. This is A union B. So we have to count the elements from A union B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 elements are there in A union B. So number of elements in A union B is equal to 9. Equation number 3. Now we have to find A intersection B. It means common element. So 6 and 12 are common elements from A intersection B. So there are only 2 elements from A intersection B. So therefore number of elements in A intersection B is equal to 2. So for this we can say equation number 4. Now see by equations 1, 2, 3 and 4, we will get the formula n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. We can verify that n of A union B, that is 9. Now n of A, that is 5. N of B, that is 6, minus n of A intersection B, that is 2. So 5 plus 6, that is 11. 11 minus 2, 9. So left hand side and right hand side both are same. So we can use this formula for solving any example, and you have to learn this formula. Now let us see example. If n of A is equal to 15, n of A union B is equal to 29, n of A intersection B is equal to 7, then n of B is equal to question mark. It means that we have to find number of elements in set B. So we have n of A is equal to 15, n of A union B is equal to 29, n of A intersection B is equal to 7, and we have to find n of B. But we know that this formula n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Now we can put the value of n of A 15, A union B 29, n of A intersection B 7. N of B keep as it is, that because we have to find the value of n of B. So 29 is equal to 15 plus n of B minus 7. So 15 minus 7, that is 8, plus n of B. Left hand side 29. So plus 8 we can shift to left hand side because 29 is bigger than 8. So 29 minus 8 is equal to n of B. And 29 minus 8, that is 21. is equal to n of b. Now we got n of b is equal to 29, 21. N of b is equal to 21. This is the final answer. So like this we can solve any given examples and we can use this formula. So let us see few more examples in next video. Bye. Take care.